I'm doing a Magic the Gatherings unboxing once more. I actually I'm gonna pretend I didn't open it for the last video I made because I was making a mistake. I just want the video to have a long screen. I'm gonna pretend I didn't see anything. I'm in my beginning stages of unboxings, so I can do it. But I need more and more practice how to correctly do an unboxing like Magic the Gathering cards and figures videos. I just need to look them up and all of that. So I'm going to dig in and see what I can find in this card, in this unwelcome deck. Never seen this one before at all. Where it is. I'm going to make sure. Where the scissors at? Oh, you can open them right here. I don't know how many cards they're going to have in here though. It looks like it's over 20. I'm going to make sure I don't do anything reckless with them. Because I'm collecting Magic the Gathering cards. I'm going to collect most of these. I'm not here to play them or anything. This looks really hella. This looks really cool here. I just like the cover. It's a blast. It's amazing. Don't shuffle. It's just saying I'm not into playing anything. And it's collecting them. You know what's? I remember there was like elves on the front. I don't know if it's gonna be elves this time or anything like that. Just this place again. I think this is plains, yes. Like some basic land. Some forest. Oh, a dog. Whoa, this is new. Perfect. So where that is, it looks like a. This car looks like a giant or some sort. It look like a giant to me. There's some. I'm going to make sure to stack these. This over here. Sure, Griffin. This is an awesome card. Like some. Oh, a unicorn. I'm not a fan of unicorns too much at all. But I just hear about them in myths, folklore, anywhere. Some forest. Sarah. Like this one. Flying Vengeance remembers her past like dreams. Her song held up meadows. Her blade drove back darkness. Her wings carried her across the ages. I really like this quote. It's an amazing quote. Some planes again. Planes again. Whoa. I don't know what this creature is. A Caranor Gerba mouse. This is amazing looking mouse I ever seen. I never seen a mouse species look like this. I've seen some rat people before. I don't remember them looking like this. I wonder if there's a rat. I don't think there's a rat species in the Magic the Gathering universe. I know there's rat people in other media though. Search Party, Human Soldier. This spell was werewolves lead my trails. Easy to follow, hard to forget. There's some planes. I think this is like a wizard or some sort. Here. Various dance. No quotes or anything. No important quotes. I think I've seen this guy before in trailers or whatnot. Auric Winter Marshall. At the beginning of each combat, creatures are control gain for their first strike until the end of your creature. Or just the spells and whatnot. Sorry, I don't know too much about the spells or anything. I'm not playing the game. So anyone give me some info about the rest of what this is saying and what it means. Oh, some Kaladesh. I always want to get the Kaladesh deck. I've been looking it up on Amazon how to get it because I'm really into Kaladesh because they have airships, other machinery, and trains. I just like the armor they have and the tech. They said it was steampunk. I don't think it's steampunk. It's called. I think Kaladesh is controlled by the Eater Access. I heard, and they were creating new inventions, but there's problem in Kaladesh as well, like uh, like a king, I guess. I seen the trailer. I guess it was this flower lady saying, like, uh, if I'll give you. It's time to take back the power. Are you ready? That's all I remember from the quote from the trailer. But their tech, like their fantasy airship stuff, is dope. Just some planes. Not really into that. I'm just making sure. Banishing Light. The champion reaches first stone, and Heloy places his son in her hand. The Terraid. This is another awesome, really peak card. Terror Hammer Skull. That's an epic name. A very cool name. Oh, it's a dinosaur. I didn't know it was dinosaur for a moment. But they do have dinosaurs in Magic the Gathering. To be honest, they do. I remember seeing the trailers for it. I think it was in the pirate trailer, I guess, where they were hunting something. Hunting gold. I don't know what the trailer was called. But I like the dinosaur one. This is like mighty leap. I feel her presence of a god pharaoh, and the second sun I rise upon his rays. This reminded me of the Egyptian card before I even said it, because I'm a fan of Egyptian mythology a lot. Because Yu-Gi-Oh was introduction to Egyptian mythology for me back when I was in third grade. It introduced me to that, and my brother used to have the pyramid for it. And it was an amazing nostalgic time. There's another plane, just the same guy. I think this other person's from Kaladesh as well. The lead and steadfast ruler. The lead and steadfast. Oh, it's a human noble. Until my last breath, I will defend the realm. I like the quote down here. But I really like this card a lot. It's just like I like the dinosaur one, to be honest. It's just another dog one. A lion. So I have a lion. Alone is my fearsome among many is unstoppable. Bunnish proverb. I heard there was like lion human hybrids in the Magic the Gathering universe, and there was the white tiger one. I don't know his name or anything, but I see him on trailers. I see him on covers everywhere, bro. There's some planes, not into that. I think this is it. This is it. This is all of it. And now I'm going through this deck here. Like it'd been easier. Like if I have a tripod, I'm gonna make sure to get one next month. I need a tripod, so I don't have to keep like holding this and just do this at the same time. It's not easy to do. With a tripod, it's easy. Just some amazing forest. Same. I really this place is really cool here. It looks like it's underwater. Let me see this. The forest looks like it's underwater to me. I like this forest. But I'm gonna have to like get a list of which one is my favorite Magic the Gathering card. Oh, this was the thumbnail. The Snap-a-Gun Nord. All the Zener beings are up Hirvo and opinions of Azaria. I don't know how to pronounce it. Forest. Forest again. Whoa. I Resident Blade Master. This is an elf warrior. Huh? I remember there was like on the other cards I done, there was an elf with horns on them. I don't know if this is a different elf species though. But you like Kaladesh is in the background and the Ether is in the background. It's really hella cool. Forest again. Same guy. Same amazing place. Oh, an army. Overcome. Sorcery. I like the army here. One of other of my favorite cards becoming right now. On riding onto the battlefield and battle against the enemies. All four until the horizon of ours. I don't know how to spell that name. The letterback bulldog. I don't know. I don't know what this is supposed to be, but I think it says heavy enough to withstand the rail letterback skeletons of the havens for travelers in the storms of the land shifts. I don't know too much about this species. This is my first time hearing about it. Crushing canopy. I think this is some type of insect. It looks like Denver may look like they want never growing tired of swatting their bugs. Hirigi. I don't know how to pronounce this name. Narakawa dispersion. Druid of Cow. Elf Druid. This is the second time I see the elves not having horns on their heads. So this must be a different elf species. It has to be. Because the elves in like other media, they don't have horns. Forest, the same picture again. The tree shaker chimera. I didn't hear about the chimera species and like other mythologies out there. I don't know which one though. Wisdom of the past is written on the bones of the ancients. That's a quote. It's like a dino. Oh wait, this is the same picture I saw in that trailer, that dinosaur trailer, with the pirates are in it. Plus old Dreadmaw. That's really, really nice. They show this in here. Same forest. Giant Grove. I think there's the sorcerer right there, and there's some machines in the background, or armored people. Sometimes Moro is constant grow on a bone. Sometimes he wants to howl whole skeleton. Jing Vangu. I'm gonna put it over here. Like I think these cards have more than 13 cards as a whole. I think there's more than that. Spiders. I feel like I've done poorly for the review for these cards. I just need more training. I definitely do. I don't know what the hell this is supposed to be. A Dawnheart Reviginator. Human Warlock. So that's what this is. It's the strangest Warlock I've known. You know, like Warlock to me. Warlock usually wears a hood or something and a spear. This strange looking Warlock. Here's a shot. Just a bow and arrow. It looks very, very, also very, very good looking. The same one. A Centaur. Wild Patrol. Oh, it's a Centaur Scout. Over the years, I've been seeing Centaurs ever since Percy Jackson, The Lightning Thief, and other movies as well. When I was a kid, I started to see some of them in in Centaur Life. I saw in the anime and Drifters. I see Harry Potter. I see Centaur species in those, but not really fan of. I'm not deeply into the Centaur species. I just know they exist. This is like a dragon. Can't believe ball off. I think this is dragon or so. It looks like a dragon. Same person. Raltov, Terra the is Quell is some type of bear. Same same. Not too much. I've did all the unboxing for the cards. I'm sorry I had to hold this. I don't have a tripod yet, so I'm going to soon get the tripod. In September will be a busy month trying to get stuff. It's really is. But there you have it. I did the unboxing for this welcome deck. See you in the next video.